Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up website under construction or maintenance page on your WordPress website. If you're still working on your site and you wouldn't want people to access it yet, then you should consider turning it on. Now the first thing to do is log into your WordPress website. So this is my website which I am still working on and it's not yet live. So I wouldn't want people to access it until I am done with all the work. So you can see the website now, it doesn't have any post. And this wouldn't be nice if someone comes to this site and sees things like this. So I want to set up a page where it will show under construction. Now log into your site and then go to plugins over here, click on add new. Now search for under construction, install and activate. Now head back to the plugin page and then scroll down. So you can see over here under construction, click on settings over here. Okay, so this is the page where we will set up this. So head on to design and then pick the design you like. So there are lots of designs here and you can preview them. So let's preview this. Okay, so sorry, we are doing some work on this site. So you can see this design is actually nice, but there are lots of designs here and some are actually premium. That means you have to pay if you want to activate some of these designs, but there are lots of free and amazing designs over here, just like this one over here, this one over here, and many more. So I think I will go with this. Now whatever design you want, click on activate. So this is already active by default, so I think I'm okay with this. But if you don't like this one and you want to use some other one, you can just click on activate and it will activate immediately. Now click on main and then turn on under construction mode over here. Turn on and then save changes. Okay, so let's preview our site now. View site. So you can see under construction mode is enabled, but you are whitelisted, so you can see the normal site. Now this page is just for you. You're the only one that can see this page while you are working on your site and making changes to this site. Now click on preview under construction page. Now this is what your visitors are going to see. They won't see the site in development. They are going to see this landing page saying the site is under construction. Now head back. We can customize this page. So if you want to set up a scheduled maintenance, you can turn this on and then set the date and time you want this site to be back up. So for example, if you want to run a maintenance for 30 minutes, you can specify on the site that you are running a 30 minutes maintenance and you specify the exact time you want this to go off. Now click on content and then edit the write-up for this site. So you can see the title, your site name is under construction. You can see over here Temagodwo is under construction. So if you want to adjust this, you can do whatever you want to do here. And the description, which is the site tagline. So you can see the headline, sorry, we are doing some work on the site. This is it, sorry, we are doing some work on the site. So you can maybe change this. We are running a scheduled maintenance. Thank you for your patience. We are doing some work on the site and we'll be back shortly. So I think this is okay. Now I want to turn off the login button, because normally you will see a WordPress login button. Down here, which I don't really like, so I will turn that off. So turn off the login button and then save changes. Now if you want to also include your social media handles here, you can add your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube handles here, so it will show on the site while it is undergoing maintenance. Now there are lots of things you could do, like whitelist some IPs. So maybe if you want someone to access the site, even if it's still under development, you can whitelist the person's IP, but this is a premium feature. You can see you can also allow your editors or authors or any other person managing your site to see the main page instead of the landing page. So you can do all that here. Now let me open an incognito tab and then open my website. So this is what every other person is going to see whenever they access our website. Now the WordPress sign is no longer here because I removed it. Now you can customize this page based on what you want. So whenever you want to work on your site themes and add new features, you could turn on the construction or under maintenance mode, and only you will be able to view your site until it is done. So basically, this is how to turn on WordPress maintenance or under construction mode. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.